Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cookies and cream. This is a delicious dessert you can take anytime. So what I'm going to be using is my electric mixer. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can use a whisking balloon. My main ingredients for this recipe today is whipping cream, some vanilla essence, Oreos which I crushed, and finally my own homemade condensed milk. So step 1, you will add in your whipping cream inside your mixing bowl and whip it until it becomes thick. When your cream finally thickens up, you will go into the second step where you're going to add in your condensed milk and vanilla essence and mix them all together for a minimum of 30 seconds. Finally, the last step will be to add in your Oreos and mix it all together and store it in an airtight container for 12 hours in your freezer. And there you have it, guys. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment below and don't forget to also like and subscribe.